Welcome back, my beauty squad. So if you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and today we are doing an awesome collaboration hosted by Karen MUA. I'm not sure who's all in on this collab, so I'm not even going to spit out names. I know there's a handful of so many amazing channels, so make sure you go down and check everybody out. I will always have Karen's link down below, and anybody else's. Hopefully she gives me the playlist, and I'll be able to put it down below as well, so you can check everybody out. But if not, make sure you go check out Karen and check out everybody else that contributed into this collaboration. We are doing Throwback Thursday. I went in my collection, pulled out an awesome palette that I already had and loved, and recreated a new fun look. I haven't played with these shades out of this palette. If you would like to see what palette I'm using and how I recreated these shades, make sure you stay tuned. See you over in the video. Make sure you subscribe.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할
Beauty Squad for sticking around. It means everything to me. So the palette that I am using today to recreate this look right here is the 35C Everyday Chick from Morphe. I absolutely adore Morphe. I know a lot of people have hit and miss with them. I haven't really had any issues out of them, so you know, I'm going to join them until I guess I do. So if you're that person that likes Morphe, and you probably have this palette, spit out quite a bit. I'm going to go over this shade right here first. Now mind you, I did lay, my transition shade is this right here. I went ahead and kind of put down when I was doing this eye, so my concealer wet crease. And this is just to lay the pigment down right now. As you can tell, like it's like a little packer brush. This is an N4 from Morphe in the Cute Dragon collection. So just like that. Now you kind of got your base of your color now. Then you want to go in with a bigger blender brush. This is the Sigma All Over Blended E37. I'm going to go in with that transition shade, just to have something on my brush to kind of blend with. And I like circular motions. Yeah, I am super stoked. Y'all would not believe what I got in the mail today. Like, super stoked. My busy beauty, Miss Stephanie, sent me a gift in the mail to up my makeup skills, and I am stoked. I don't know why that shadow's out like that right there, but I'm not gonna fix it. Sorry if y'all hear some noise. There we go. Put some concealer down if you make a boo-boo. No biggie. Ta-da! I'm gonna tap the green because I kind of need to go up just a little bit, just barely, because these shades are pigmented. And I'm gonna bring it right here first before I go all the way up into my crease. I just want it to have that blowout effect. I mean, I got hooded eyes. I have to go above my crease for you to even be able to see it. Ta-da! Look how pretty that came out. Alright, so now for the cutting of the crease. I know a lot of y'all get scared with this step, but don't ever get too nervous. I tell you, it's super easy, and once you practice doing it, it's easy. You don't technically have to. If you do your eyeshadow like this, you still have that empty base right here. And I don't like putting too much shadow there. I know a lot of people are like, oh, don't worry about it. You make a mess. You know, get it wherever you want to. Yeah, but I just don't like too many layers on my eyes. That it causes the heaviness and stuff. And it cakes up and creases and all that. So I can keep it clean. I try. But this is just to give it a good sticky base. And I am using my NARS concealer, pot concealer. This is the Creme Brulee Soft Matte Complete Concealer. There you go. And just like that. See how easy it was? And I'm using a flat brush. Now, what I did that I usually don't do, I went in with this shimmer shade first. I'm using another flat brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. Hold on. Okay, so I use this side. Sorry if y'all hear Luna in the background. She's in there causing chaos. And I'm just going over that green with the shimmer because I want this to be a fun, glam, holiday-ish look. So I want the shimmer and the sparkles everywhere. Then I'll flip my brush around just because I don't like using too many brushes. And I'm going in with this color right here. Yeah. And you want to swirl it around. Look at that shade. Oh. And it's just gorgeous. And I got a little bit of fallout. And it's just because I scraped around the shade a little bit. And that's not my fault. Alright, let's rub the shade. Rub the shade. Look how pretty that shade is. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Now, I want to take this is Sigma Shader Inner Liner Corner E46. And that's exactly what I'm going to use it for, but inner liner. Using that lighter shade, and I bring the shade up just a tad to kind of ombre this out, and then bring it down just a tad. Sorry guys. And then I want to bring that shade also into my brow to give it some shimmer. Now what I did, because I know you're looking at this way and looking at this way like, just get out of match. Hold on, I need to put a little bit more purple down. Now, you could spray your brush. You could use your fingers. Morphe shades do show up a little bit better with your fingers. But for y'all who don't like to use your fingers, or if you're typically like me and my nails are too long, like I said, typically, I took them off today. I've got to redo them. I went in with this loose glitter. And I'm just patting that on top. I don't want it too crazy. I just want a little bit of more sparkle in my life. Just like so. Now, if you want to add a lot more sparkle, just get like a little glitter glue. And you can add it. But I thought this gave it a really elegant touch to the look. I really like how it came out with it all together. Now, my bottom lash, I'm using this purplish burgundy right there. With kind of like a liner brush. And I'm just hitting right there at my lash line. I'm going to darken this one up just a tad too. And then I bring it out right there. Put out. And then this pinky color. Right up under there just to give it that airbrushed effect. I like blowing out my look just a little bit underneath too. Guys, don't be scared to play with color. Color can be your friend. It can be your enemy too. No, don't get me wrong. You can start playing with something and not like it at all. But at the end of the day, makeup is makeup. It comes off. It ain't gonna be that serious. Not unless you're going like on a date or something, but then I would be like super careful. But if you're sitting at home and you're just want something to do, or you know, feeling down, go sit in front of your mirror and play with some makeup. Makeup always cheers me up. Always. Not unless I'm looking at a makeup bill. That don't cheer me up. But makeup itself cheers me up. Alright, and that is that. I'm going to go off, do my liner, come right back, and show y'all the finished look. And I'm back. So this is my final look. I did go in with the liner, the CMAADU, the one that has the stamp, and then the liner on the other side. And then the Milk Cosmetics Milk Makeup Longwear Liner, just to give it that nude under eye to open up my eyes. I thought it suited this look a little bit better to have the open eyes instead of the closed. I did my little stamps that Renee got me. I'm loving these stamps. And for my mascara, I always tend to use two. Don't know why, but I use the Fenty Beauty mascara and then the Lash Freak by Urban Decay. And I'm just doing a natural lash today because your girl is lazy. And on my lips, I have the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick, the Fenty purple shade, which I got lipstick on it. That shade right there. I just basically went in and dabbed it. And all it did was kind of darken up this lip. It didn't do much to it. Thank goodness. And my Wet n Wild Cancer lip gloss on top. And my lip liner. Did I put her up? I think I put her up. Yeah. I am Confidence by Reeler. And a nude shade. You know I'm all about the nude lip. Which, usually if I go in really bold with a eye, you don't want to go bold eye, bold lip. I'm all about the eyes. I love doing my eyes first. And, you know, you go boom and all out with the eyes. So I always go in with a simple lip to bring it all together. So y'all let me know down below in the comments what y'all think about this. I look. Thank you, Karen, for coming up with this collab and inviting all of us. I had a blast doing this. I love you, girly. And until the next one, bye.